Crisscross inheritance is a pattern of genetic transmission where any particular allelic character transmits from any grandfather through her daughter into his grandson. This mode of pattern of transmission is known as crisscross inheritance. Always you have to remember one thing: crisscross inheritance takes place in case of recessive allelic trait. Okay. And what happens in such kind of inheritance? In such kind of inheritance, suppose any trait is present in any grandfather, maternal grandfather. Imagine this is a maternal grandfather. The particular trait is now transmitted from this grandfather to his daughter. That means it will be my mother. Imagine this is the female individual and my mother. And if the character present in my maternal grandfather get expressed in me being a boy, in me, then such mode of transmission of genetic character is known as crisscross inheritance. Here you have to remember one thing: the genetic character may be expressed in my grandfather and definitely expressed in me, but it will not express my mother, inside my mother. So this is the phenomenal importance of crisscross inheritance. It's a kind of a rare pattern of inheritance where the allelic character skip one generation. Okay, this may be present in the grandfather. The gene may be present in the mother in form of carrier. Here, the mother will be carrier for the gene. Okay, carrier for the gene, and that particular gene will again expressed in me as a son. So, the transmission of particular allele from my grandfather to me through my mother, this pattern of inheritance is known as crisscross inheritance. We can easily examine the pattern of crisscross inheritance with the help of suitable example. Come, let's consider one example. Probably many of you have already gone through such kind of examples. Imagine one normal mother marries with a colorblind. C stands for colorblind father or man. One normal woman marries a colorblind man. Okay, this is the parental generation. What happens to their F1 generation? Let's try to find out what happens to their F1 generation. So we have to make a cross, right? There will be 4 possible outcomes. What are those outcomes? XC. This will also produce X and XC. Both of these are daughter in nature and they will be carrier, right? And on the other hand, this will meet, not here, this will meet to the Y chromosome. Here it will produce a boy and this cross also produce a boy. And in both cases, the boys are unaffected. That means they are not carrier or the bearer of the colorblind allele, right? Now, let's consider another cross consisting of such kind of daughter. If this kind of daughter marries any normal man, what happens then? Imagine this particular daughter marries a normal man. So let's consider and try to understand what happens in the F2 generation. This particular daughter marries a normal man. Let's try to find out what happens in the F2 generation. We have to make the cross once again. let's write it down. The nature of the genotypic nature of the individual X, and X, this is the normal daughter. This one will be a normal son. This will be a carrier daughter, and this will be a affected colorblind son. Now, if we try to examine the pattern of transmission of colorblind gene from this parental generation up to this F2 generation, what will we conclude, or what may we conclude? See, this particular allele combination was present in the grandparent, right? This particular allele that is present on the X chromosome in grandparent transmitted into his daughters, not into his son. So here both the daughters are carrier. Now, through this carrier daughter, this is a carrier daughter, and when she marries a normal father, she has possibility to have any affected son. She has also a possibility to have a normal son as well. But she has also another 50% chance of having affected child, colorblind child. So here, look and emphasize the mode of transmission of colorblind allele into this particular grandson. Here, the allele actually transmitted from the grandfather through her daughter and finally into the grandson. So this is the mode of transmission of crisscross inheritance.